So in order to achieve this, first of all, we need to go and log into Power BI services, which comes under Power BI Pro licenses. So regarding license and pricing, we already discussed. So now we'll go back and we are going to log into powerbi.microsoft.com in order to log in. So let's jump in. Okay, so we have just hit this URL inside the browser. So this is the home page of this Microsoft site, Power BI site, and under this product, we can find all the tools which is available under the licenses. So we already downloaded Power BI desktop. Now we will go and check out this link, Power BI Pro link. So in order to connect, like I already told you, we have to get license. It's not a free thing, just like a Power BI desktop. So you can find this information as soon as you click on Power BI Pro. So it will navigate to this page where it is showing bring your data of life, and you can connect to 100 of data sources and visualize all your data with live dashboards and reports, then share insight across your organization to fuel intelligent action. So we already discussed all the features and all the services which you will get under this Power BI Pro. And if you want to if you want to purchase, you can purchase it. And if not, then you can try out the free trial for 60 days here. So again, we'll go and we'll try it for free. So now we'll click on try free. Okay. So I have prompted here get started. So it is asking me email your work email address. So I have my email address. Okay, so I have entered my work email. I'm going to sign in. Okay, so what I have prompted, you have an account with us. You are using this particular account with another Microsoft already. To finish signing up Microsoft Power BI with your existing password. Since I already have a account, so that's why it is asking me to sign in again. So for any new user, you're not going to prompt this screen. You're going to you're going to navigate to a separate screen where you need to fill some information. And once you fill all the information, like basic information, then you will get this account's credential. Anyways, for me, I'm going to just sign in. So now it is prompting me my password. I already have my password and I'm going to sign in. State sign in, I will click yes. So now again, after entering my password, I'm getting no need to sign up. You already have a license Microsoft Power BI, and I'll just click next. As soon as I click on yes, it is navigating me to this tool. It's an online tool. It's a Microsoft Power BI services which comes under the Pro subscription. And the amazing thing is that this tool runs into the browser. You can see I have opened this tool just signing in my basic credentials, and then I am able to access this tool. So it is pretty simple. And so I hope you found this video to be very helpful, and please do let me know if you have any query regarding this particular video. I'll definitely try to respond you, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel. All the information related to this particular video I have linked into the description box. Please do check out, and have a nice day, and thank you so much.